So I'm going to start past tense. Past, you know the word past. It means the work is already done. Means whatever the work is, it was done before present time. That is past. So the idea of past tense is tha, thi, the, ya, ye, ye, and many different other words. So, whatever the work that is done in past time is past tense, having sentences like मैं कल आगरा गई थी, कल मेरी मित्र मेरे घर आई थी, हमने अपना कार्य किया. Means, seeing these sentences in Hindi, we can understand that these sentences are in past tense. Now, I start affirmative sentences. In affirmative sentences, first of all, we use subject, then second form of verb. As you know, there are three forms of verb: first, second, and third. So, in past affirmative sentences, we use second form of verb, then object. For example, he went to market. Okay, whether is the subject is in singular and in plural, we have to use only second form of verb. So the sentence is he went to market. He is our subject, went second form of verb, and object is market. Now negative sentences. In negative sentences, first of all we use subject. The helping verb of past tense is did, so we use did. Then not. After that, this is the thing to remember, that we use first form of verb, then object. Now, this is the question, that why we are using first form of verb in place of second form. So, the reason is with did we use only first form. Because in affirmative sentences we are not using did, that's why second form is used. When we are using did not, as it is negative, so we will use only first form. And I have written examples also. She did not learn her lesson. And plural, they did not learn their lesson. Now we come to interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, again the same thing. There are two types of interrogatives: helping verb type and WH type. First of all, I am going to start helping verb type. In helping verb type, first of all we use helping verb. The sentence will be क्या तुमने अपना काम किया, and the rule is helping verb, and that is did. Then subject, then first form of verb, then object, and then question mark. And sentence is did they play cricket? Now WH type. In WH type sentences, first of all we use WH word, then subject, first of all WH word, then did, then subject, then verb, object, and question mark. And the solution is when did they play cricket? And in this way, we can understand past indefinite tense.